Chapter 20, Part 1. We're going to look at this word chez, C-H-E-Z, and its normal meaning is in the home of or at the home of. The idea is home, the idea of where somebody lives, their place. So we've seen it when it's used in a literal sense, but it also has a figurative meaning. It can mean at or in the business of, at or in the country of, at in the work of, at in the thought of, anything where somebody feels at home in a figurative sense, the word chez can be used. So here's some examples. On fera la fête chez nous. So faire la fête means to have a party or have the party. And this is the future tense. So we'll have the party chez nous at our house. So that's a literal sense. Now here's a figurative sense. C'est difficile pour nous de comprendre les Américains. So this is the French speaking here. It's difficult for us to understand Americans. Chez nous, ce n'est que les enfants qui mangent avec les doigts. So chez nous, meaning, well, let's look for the context to see how we're going to translate this. Ce n'est que les enfants. Ne que means only. It is only the children who eat with their fingers. So what we could say is maybe in our country, it's only children who eat with their hands. And so this is actually kind of an interesting thing. Traditionally in France, people don't eat things with their hands. They always use knife and silverware because they're civilized. And but when McDonald's started to make inroads, some people picked up right away that it was okay to eat a hamburger or French fries with your hands. Other people were freaked out about it. So they basically had to have commercials showing that it was okay and how to eat with your hands, how to eat a meal without having silverware. So chez nous here could be translated in our country. So here's some examples. Work on figuring them out on how you can make sense out of them and what would sound pretty good English-wise.